Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning into another video. As you can see, I have a full face on except for my brows. So today I'm going to be doing my brows using a Benefit product. So if you guys want to see how I do my brows in 2020, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Benefit eyebrow pencil, which is precisely my brow, and this is the packaging. Now when I think of Benefit, I think of brows because they are known for having the best brow pencils, and this is actually my first time purchasing a brow pencil from Benefit. So it says shapeless undefined brows, filled and defined, hair-like strokes, 12-hour wear, waterproof. Instrumental test on 23 women. Wow, okay, that's quite a few women. So let's see how this pencil is like. So this is how it looks like. I love Benefit packaging. It is just so cute. I love how this pencil looks like. It's just so beautiful and chic. It's really nice. So I am in the color 4.5, so you find that on top of the lid. So it says it's a rich smudge proof color, custom control grip, you twist up, non-sharpened tip, blending spoolie brush. Okay, that's great. So when I take this off, we have the pencil. So what's nice about these pencils is that you don't need to sharpen it. And then on the other end, we have the spoolie brush. So let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna brush my brow hairs upwards. And I have threaded my brows, so it is definitely going to be much easier to do them. I definitely recommend that you guys get your brows threaded, waxed, so that it is easier to find your brow shape. So this is my natural brow shape. So now I'm just going to roll this pencil up. I don't think I'm gonna roll it up too much because it might break. I'm not too sure how strong this stencil is inside. Then we're gonna create hair-like strokes. So I like first by drawing a line. So I'm just tracing the brow just so I can get a shape. Like that. You guys can see there. Okay, so I have my shape underneath, so I can see exactly where I'm going to conceal underneath the brow. And then I'm gonna trace it on top. So I'll start with this arch right here. So you can see that it goes like this. So with my line, I'm gonna start my line from right here. And I will show you why I don't start drawing it from here. So from there, then I just follow the arch of my brow, and then I bring it down. See, now I have my shape. Now I can start doing my hair-like strokes. And as you can see in the front, I am just drawing my hairs up this way. Sorry for the noise, guys. It is raining cats and dogs right now, so I apologize. So that is my brow shape. It does look a little bit thick, but as long as towards the end it just comes out a bit smaller, then that's fine. I love this pencil, guys. It gives you such a light brown. It's very easy to use, and I love that it's a 2-in-1, and it's not too dark. It is actually, it's performing really well, so I'm happy. So I'm gonna do my other brow. This brow is actually easier to do for me than this one, so I might struggle a bit, but I know these brows are definitely not twins, they are sisters. But we're gonna try get them just to look more or less the same. So I'm doing the same thing that I did. Also, for you to note, I am also using a very light hand, so I'm not pressing on the brow and putting pressure on it. A very light hand. I don't like this shape. I really don't like the shape of this brow. But hey, what can I do? My hairs grow in that direction, so I don't have a choice. See, I drew a line and then I realized it was a bit too high, so I just rub it in with the spoolie brush and it comes out. I really struggle with my arch, but yeah, let's see what I can cook up. That is the other brow. It's not too shabby, hey? Not too shabby. So that actually took me 10 minutes. Pretty impressive. I mean, it usually takes me longer. And this just clicks right back, so you don't have to like roll it in or anything. Now I'm gonna conceal my brows. To conceal my brows, I'm using my MAC Studio Fish Concealer. This is NC45. It is a compact concealer. And what I like about this is that you're able to control how much concealer you put on compared to your LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is a bit liquidy and it can run and it can ruin your makeup. So this one is very nice. So you just have to warm it up. Sometimes it's a bit hard if you haven't used it for a while. It kind of dries up. So I'm just gonna warm it up on the back of my hand. But this concealer is it's beautiful, honestly. So now we are just gonna go underneath just to clean it up. Honestly, these brows don't even need to be cleaned up, but just for the sake of making sure, we will clean it up with some concealer. Just gonna pat it in. And there we go. Doesn't look like we did much, but it does make a difference. And that is it, people. Honestly, this has changed the game. This has definitely changed the way I do my eyebrows. I mean, they look more or less natural, if I should say. I really have been struggling with getting my eyebrows looking natural, very light, feathery-like, and I found the perfect product. Oh, mwah. Guys, this is it. This is it right here. The only thing that might be an issue for some people with Benefit is that it is pricey. This pencil was almost 400 Rand. I know, it's a lot of money, and I remember saying on the channel that honestly, spending a lot of money on brow pencil is not worth it. But I'm telling you, I didn't try Benefit. I have not used Benefit, okay? But honestly, the other pencils, they still work just as fine. But I think I'm stuck here. I'm just gonna carry on using Benefit from now on, unless things happen, don't have money to buy a 300 Rand pencil, and then we'll go back to Essence. But I love the way they look. They really suit me. What I struggled with is that my brows looked so dark, and no matter how light a hand I was using, it still didn't look cute, and the brows would smudge. I mean, there's nothing, look, nothing. It does not smudge. It really doesn't. I am so happy with this look. So obviously I did my makeup off camera. I am off to a Thanksgiving lunch. So yeah, let me just set the rest of my face. Nothing wrong with, you know, just drenching yourself in some setting spray. You want to make sure that you dab afterwards, because sometimes it will leave spots, and then your makeup is not going to look very put together or very neat. So yeah, you definitely want to pat in your setting spray afterwards. Thank you guys so much for watching me do my brows. This was really fun. I'm just so wowed by this Benefit product. I'll definitely leave the price in the description box. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Lutando Kasapato. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting your girl. If you guys would like to do the same, all you have to do is hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also click the bell so you are notified of every time I post a new video, which is once a week. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.